Its progress is remarkable at Briarwood Elementary as crews get ready for the next school year. It's even more amazing knowing every parent, teacher, and child inside that school survived the May 20th tornado. News 9's Adriana Ivashinsky caught up with one of the teachers who was trapped in the rubble with her students, talked about how they made it out through that horrible day.
Looking at the school now, it's actually hard to believe that it was hardly left standing after the tornado hit. I actually talked with a first grade teacher who tells me she remembers pushing the desks up against the wall to protect her children, and it probably ended up saving their lives.
That's my room. We're underneath all of that stuff.
The pictures on her phone tell the story.
That's where my kids were.
Taken just hours after the May 20th tornado tore through the neighborhood where Briarwood Elementary School once stood.
Can you believe you survived that looking at this picture?
No, I can't. It's unbelievable to me. I just still am, how in the world did we come out of that?
Lisa Niffen is still in awe of what happened that day.
It's amazing to think that you were in that little hole and you survived it.
I found a pile that didn't have anybody there and started yelling search and rescue, and actually got 18 children and 2 adults out from under the rubble that day.
Sergeant John Blumenthal is an officer with the state's search and rescue team who found Lisa and all of her first grade students that day. He also helped rescue a teacher's aide whose leg was impaled by the leg of a table in the classroom.
Once I saw how bad Miss Haley's leg was, I knew I had to really concentrate on her.
I was flat on my back with the wall right there. I could not move.
But one by one, everyone crawled out. Sergeant Blumenthal still can't believe everyone made it out alive. Now he just hopes it never happens again.
But I'm very glad that we were there to help them and to make sure that they went home to their families.
And when they told us that we did not lose one teacher or one child, it's just a miracle.
And Lisa says she is truly grateful for all of those who came to help in the days and weeks after the storm. She says it truly restored her faith in mankind. Reporting in Southwest Oklahoma City, Adriana Ivashinsky, News 9.